sheep without a guide. He was moved with compassion and said the fields are wide. The harvest is plenteous, but the laborers are few. Lord, send forth your laborers that have a broken heart like you. We need a heart for the harvest, a burden for the lost, a passion to reach the world by lifting up the cross. Christ said the fields are white, white unto harvest. Lord, give us a heart for the harvest. If we could only see the world through Jesus' eyes, the lives we touched each day are those for whom Christ died. If we could only love the way that Jesus loves and be the faithful servants of the Father above. We need a heart for the harvest, a burden for the lost, a passion to reach the world by lifting up the cross. Christ said the fields are white, white unto harvest. Lord, give us a heart for the harvest. They that sow in tears shall doubtless come again. They shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves. We need a heart for the harvest, a burden for the lost, a passion to reach the world by lifting up the cross. Christ said the fields are white, white unto harvest. Lord, give us a heart for the harvest.
Hi dear friends, good morning or good afternoon or good evening wherever you are. Welcome back to Anjiabad Maitra channel. Okay, friends, today we are here in the backyard of our apartment. We're going to harvest a bottle gourd, or in Filipino we call it upo. So we are going to harvest that one, and come and join me as we harvest. Come on. That's the board, okay? Okay, Jessica, you post it. Maybe you can come from here. You take a video from me here. What do you say? Here it is, so big gourd. Okay. You have to get that. Okay. Yay. There you go. Okay. Here, show it here. So there, my friends, that's the bottle gourd. Okay. Take a photo of me.